How are you? Fine? Yes, superb. So today we have math session. Okay, Kana, kindly mute your audio and video. Superb. So today we are going to see math. Yes, myself Yuvrani and Saranya ma'am are there to teach you math. Also, Divya ma'am is going to say you one surprise. She has some amazing facts for you to say. Superb. We all enjoy the session, okay, Kanna? Yes. So it is raining outside now in the morning itself. How is the weather today? It is very chill, right? Yes. We are all enjoying the weather. Yes, na? Yes, superb. So now we will start the session with a small prayer. I would like to call Miss Saranya ma'am to start the session with the prayer.
Yes, my dear kids, close your eyes, join your palms, and say the prayer. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Dakshmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Thank you. Yes, yes, my dear parents. It's we all already know a small instructions to the parents. Yes, for the full 45 minutes, your mobile mic and video must be in orange color. It's sure that it's going to be a grand success with your kind cooperation and participation. Yes, my dear kids, are you all ready with note and pencil? Yes, whenever you come to math class, you should bring pencil and note. Yes, Kanna. Very good. Now, today we are going to see subtraction, the revision of subtraction. So, we have been learning subtraction for the last 2 weeks, right? Yes, today we shall have a small recap. Okay, Kanna? Yes, very good. Sit straight. What is subtraction? Yes, my kids know it very well. Yes, dears. What is subtraction? Yes, subtraction means take away or give away. Yes, Kana. If group of objects are there, if you're going to take away some objects, then the answer will be your difference. The answer will be your difference. Yes, dears. Yes. Now, what is the symbol of subtraction? What is the symbol of subtraction? It is minus. A small sleeping line. Never forget. Okay. Yes. What is the symbol of subtraction? Minus. And how we will say the statement of subtraction? 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Right? 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Very good. Are you all writing in your note? Yes, very good. Now we are going to revise properties. Yes, we saw properties. Okay, last week also. Yes, Kanna. Yes. So before going to the properties, we will see some terms related to subtraction. Do you all remember what are the terms related to subtraction? Yes, very good. Say along with ma'am. Okay, say along with me without unmuting your video and audio. Okay, dears. Yes. So if you come across these words, you should know that you have to do subtraction. Yes, dears. Very good. Now, shall we see what are the terms? Yes. Say along with me. Take away, decrease, minus, less, take, left, fewer, subtract, how many more? and difference. Yes. So, if you come across all these words, you should do subtraction. Very good. Now we are going to see properties. Okay, Kanna? Yes. What is the first property? Yes, do you all remember? In addition also we saw. Yes, when we add 0 to any number, we will get the same number, right? Yes, 0 means nothing. Yes, you know it, right? 0 means nothing. Similarly, in subtraction also, if you subtract 0 from any number, you will get the same number. For example, you are having two ice cream in your hand. Okay, but you are not going to eat it now. You are going to freeze it in the refrigerator. Okay, so now you are not going to take anything, right? You are not going to eat any ice cream. So it means same number of ice cream only you left with, right? So here also I give you small example. Okay, see in the table, first table, how many cupcakes are there? Two, right? Yes. In the second table, no cupcakes, no cupcakes, right? It means zero. So if you take away zero from any number, that you will get the same number. Yes, very good. Yes, Kana. Write it in your note also. 2 minus 0 equal to 2. Similarly, 3 minus 0 equal to 3, 5 minus 0 equal to 5. So, any number, if you subtract 0 with any number, you will get the same number. Remember it always. Okay, Kanna? Yes, very good. Now, we are going to see the next property. Do you remember what is the next property? Yes, very good. If you subtract 1 from a number, you get the before number. Yes. In addition, we will get the after number. And in subtraction, we get before number because subtraction means backward counting. Yes, very good. See here, what is this? Can you find what is this? Yes, it is balls. Yes, colorful balls. Yes, now how many balls are here? Three balls, right? Now I'm going to take away one ball. Now, how many balls are remaining with me? Yes, tell me. Yes, 2, right? 3 minus 1 equal to 2. And now you tell me, Kanna, what is the before number of 3? It is also 2. Before number also 2. If you subtract 1 from 3 also, you get the answer as 2. So, we can easily find if any number is subtract with minus 1, you will get the before number. Yes, dears. Very good. Now we are moving to third property. Yes. Very good. What is the third property? When we subtract same number, the answer is always 0. The answer is always 0. Yes, see, in the basket, how many carrots are there? Orange color carrots, right? It is very good for health, good for eyesight too. Yes, you should eat carrots daily. See, if you eat carrots, you will become your skin color become pinky. You will become a pinky girl or boy. Do you want to be like that? Yes? Yes, it will increase the skin color also. So eat carrots daily. Okay, now I'm going to take away all the carrots from the basket. Okay, to make a carrot juice. Yes, yummy, yummy. Okay, now I'm going to take all the 5 carrots. Now, how many carrots are left with? Nothing, because I have taken everything, no? Yes. So 5 minus 5 equal to 0. Yes. If you subtract the same number from itself, you will get 0. See, we saw small activity by using finger also, no? Yes? Yes. Now also you do, Kanna. Okay. Leave 5 fingers in your hand. 5 fingers. Yes. Fold all the 5 fingers. Yes. Fold all the 5 fingers. Now, how many fingers are left with you? Nothing, because we have folded all the fingers. Yes. So, similarly, if you subtract same number from itself, you will get 0. Yes, Kanna. Very good. Now, we are moving to next property. Yes. Can anyone guess what is the next property? Wow, it is the difference of a number and the number just before it is always 1. Yes, teddy bears. See how they are sitting and watching you? Very cute, no? You also sitting like this and watching and listening to the class, right? Yes, you are also so cute kids, right? Yes, Kanna, very good. Now, how many teddy bears are there? 4 teddy bears, right? Yes, I also love to have a teddy bear like this. Yes, very good. Now, I'm going to take away 3 teddy bears. I'm going to take away 3 teddy bears. Now, how many teddy bears are left with? Yes, it is 1. Very good. See, what is the before number of 4? You all know it. You are very smart kids, right? What is the before number of 4? It is 3. Very good. So, if you subtract a number with the before number, you will get 1. Okay. Yes, what? See, one more example. 6. 6 minus 5. Okay. What is the before number of 6? It is 5 only, right? Yes. So, 6 minus 5 is also 1. Yes, Kanna. Okay, always remember, if you subtract a number with the before number, you will get 1. Divya ma'am, room is locked. Kindly unlock. Okay. Yes, now we saw all the properties. Okay. Now we are going, it's a small activity time. Yes, everyone sit straight. Stretch your hands up, down, up, down, up, down. Yes, see your, see upside, see up. Rotate your eyes. Yes. See left. See right. Yes. Very good. You should do this activity daily. It is very good for your eyes because you're seeing the laptop or any device for the long
Saranya ma'am,
time. No. Yes, ma'am.
Saranya ma'am, Sanjeevi parent is hosting. Please ask them to unlock. Sanjeevi parent, unlock the room, ma'am, please. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, Kanna, you should do this activity daily. This is very good for your eyesight. Okay. Now, we are going to see the methods of subtraction. Yes, we all know, right? What are the methods of subtraction? Yes, see, with this statement sum, we are going to solve all the methods of subtraction. Okay. See, what is the statement given here? There were 6 hens in a farm. The farmer sells 2 of them. How many hens are left in the farm? Yes. So how many hens are here, Kanna? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hens, right? Yes. Now the farmer are going to sell 2 hens to the market. Okay. Now he is going to take away 2 hens. Now how many hens are left with? 6 minus 4, sorry, 6 minus 2 equals to 4. Yes. So this is what we call pictorial representation. Pictorial representation by using objects or by drawing objects, cross out the things and count and find the answer is called pictorial representation. Okay, this is one of the method of subtraction. You can find the answer for subtraction using this method also. Okay, dears. Yes. Now we are going to see the next method. This method will be continued by Urani ma'am. Yes, Kana. Yes, Urani ma'am. Thank you.
So much, Saranya ma'am. It was nice to hear all the healthy tips you gave. Superb, and thank you so much. All our children will definitely do that one. Yes, they will eat the healthy food and they will stay healthier. Superb. So, children, now we are going to see the mind calculation. Yes, na. Yes. For the addition also we have mind calculation. For the subtraction also we have mind calculation. But it is very easier, right? Yes. Always remember that in subtraction, what the rabbit frog does. Yesterday he was jumping in the backward direction, right? Yes. So we get the answer in the before numbers. Yes, na. Yes. So today this mind calculation also we are going to do in the count in the backward direction so that we will get the answers in the before numbers. Can we do how to do the mind calculation? Already we know this method, right? It is just a recap. Okay, Kanna. Yes. So what is the number this boy is having in his mind? It is 6, right? Yes. So you people also say 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. Yes. So in subtraction, how we will say? Before 6. Yes, na? Before 6, 5, 4. Yes, right? Before 6, we have 6, 5, 4. Frog will be jumping the backward, right? Yes. So we get the answer as 4. Okay, Kanna, can we do one more time with another number? Are you all ready? Yes, do along with me. Okay, ma'am will give you the number as 5. Okay? Yes, everyone. 5 and minus 2. Okay, Kanna. Yes, let me take this number as 5. Okay, so how we will say the statement for this mind calculation? 5 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. Yes, leave 2 fingers in your hand. 2 in the finger. Very good. Now we are going to fold it. Okay, na? Yes. So before 5, it is 4, 3. So what is the answer now? 5 minus 2 equal to 3. We got the answer as 3. Superb, right? Yes, it will be very useful for you even in the higher classes. Okay, Kanna? Yes, now we are going to see another method. What is this? Number line. Yes, the ribbon frog was teaching you the number line. Of course, you people know how to do this one. Yes, na? Yes. So, what is the biggest number here? It is 8. So initially, always the ribbon frog will be sitting in 0. From 0, he will be jumping to the first number. What is the first number? It is 8, right? So see here, he has jumped to number 8. Yes. So what is the second number here? It is minus 3. So we are going to take away minus 3 from 8. Okay, so he's going to jump in the backward for how many times? We'll be jumping for 3 times. Can we make him to jump 3 times? Yes. 1, 2, 3. So where he is sitting now? He's sitting in 5. Number 5. So we get the answer as 5. Superb, right? Yes, Ribbit Frog always help us. Yes, na? Yes, superb. Now we will move on to the finger folding method with the same numbers. Okay, Kanna? Yes, now everyone sit straight, blink your eyes, blink, 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 blink. Yes, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, close. Okay, so open your eyes. Superb. So now we are going to do the finger folding method. Okay, Kanna. So what is the first number here? It is 8, right? The first number is 8. So we are going to leave 8 fingers in our hand. Okay? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we have left 8 fingers in our hands. Yes, na? Yes, okay. Now we are going to fold 3 fingers. We are going to fold 3 fingers. Can we fold? 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we have folded 3 fingers in this hand. Yes, Kanna. So how many fingers are left out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Do we get the answer? Yes, Ribbit Frog also said the same answer, right? Yes, superb. So we know how to do subtraction in various methods. Yes, now it is the time for workbook writing. Everyone have the workbook now? Yes, if you have the workbook, you can do it. If you don't have, no problem. You can do it in your rough note. Okay, Kanna. But always practice doing sums in your home. Maths is always fun, right? We will be having always fun with maths. Yes, na? Yes. Okay, so we will see the workbook exercise. What you are going to see today? One digit subtraction. Wow. We already know all the methods and properties. Yes, na? Yes. Okay, so now we will sort out the worksheet. Can we do? Yes. See the first worksheet. Exercise 1. Look carefully at the example in the box, then solve the problems below. Okay, we can solve the problem, no problem for us, right? We are very smart, yes, na? Yes, okay. So, what is the first one given here? The A sum, it is circles, right? So, what is the first number here? 6. They have given 6. So, there are 6 circles. Can we check it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, so we have 6 circles. So, how many we have to strike it out? Minus 4. 4 circles we have to strike it off. Can we strike out? 1, 2, 3, 4. Always in subtraction we will be doing in the backward counting, right? That's why to remember that ma'am is also striking out in the backward direction. Okay, Kanna? Yes, okay. So, what is the remaining thing here? 1, 2. So, the answer which we get for the first sum is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. Superb. So, the rest of the sums is for your practice. Okay, Kanna. Now we will see the worksheet 2. Yes, solve the following problems using the number line. Yes, we already know how to do the number line, right? Yes. Okay, now we can see the first sum. What is the first sum? 7 minus 4. Okay, so where initially the frog will be sitting in 0, and where is the first number? It is here. So the frog is going to jump at a stretch to number 7. Okay, now what is the second number? It is minus 4. So he is going to jump in what direction? Yes, backward direction. So how many times he is going to jump in the backward? Yes, 4 times. Can we make him to jump? 1, 2, 3, 4. So he has reached the number 3. So 7 minus 4 gives you the answer as 3. Superb. So the next excited for your practice. Okay, Kanna. Now I would like to call Miss Saranya ma'am to recite the 2 times table. After that, yes, who's waiting for us? Divya ma'am is waiting for us. Yes, she's going to say the amazing facts for us. Okay, yes. Saranya ma'am, kindly take over the session.
Yes, yes, Kanna. We all learned subtraction, the symbol of subtraction, statement of subtraction, and properties. We saw many properties, right? And also we saw many methods to do subtraction. Yes, Kanna. Yes, now we are going to learn 2 times table. Okay. See, last month also we learned 1 times table. Yes. 1 times table. Do you all remember that? Yes. One,
Ma'am,
one,
that's a one table tongue, Daddy.
Dear
very
children,
good.
please
Very
mute
good.
your audio and video. It is disturbing the class.
Yes, very good, Sanna. Right. Okay, you mute yourself. Okay, we will learn 2 time table also. Okay. Yes, we will say 1 times table, and then we will go to 2 times table. Okay. Yes, by muting your audio and video, say along with ma'am. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 threes are 3. 1 fours are 4. 1 fives are 5. 1 six are 6. 1 sevens are 7. 1 eights are 8. 1 nines are 9. And 1 tens are 10. Yes, very good. You're all rocking. Very smart kids, right? Okay. Yes, now last class we saw skip counting, right? Yes. You all remember that? Skip counting. By skipping one in between numbers, we are jumping 2 steps and found the answer, right? Two times. 1 time means 2, 2 time means 4, 3 times means 6, 4 times means 8, and 5 times means 10. We found the 2 times table by using skip counting method, right, Kanna? Yes. Now we are going to say 2 times table. You all ready to say along with ma'am? Yes. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. And 2 fives are 10. Yes, very good. See, in our syllabus, multiplication is not that, but tables is very important for you to learn. That's why we are introducing tables to learn every month. One table, one month. Okay. That likewise, we are going to learn 5 tables this year. Okay, Kanna? Yes, very good. Now, yes, everyone close your eyes. Divya ma'am is going to show you some surprise. More surprises are waiting for you. Do you know what is that? Amazing facts. What are all the things that gives amazing and surprise things to you? Yes? Yes, everyone. Close your eyes. Yes. Yes, Yurani ma'am.
Jai Good
Yes,
Day, children. I am Divya ma'am. I am going to tell you some amazing facts about mathematics. Okay. We are celebrating so many celebrations, no? Yoga Day, International Reading Day, Children's Day. You know that? Children's Day, when is Children's Day celebrated? When is Children's Day celebrated, Kana? November 14. We are celebrating birthdays and all, no? When is the Mathematics Day celebrated? Anyone know? When is Mathematics Day celebrated? Very good. I'm getting answers now. The Mathematics Day is celebrated on November 14. Super. November 14. October 14. Sorry. October 14. November 14 is Children's Day. November 14 is Children's Day. October 14 is Mathematics Day. Okay? Thank you.
Yes, so children, we are celebrating the Mathematics Day on October 14. Wow, it was a very amazing fact, right? Okay, now. Yes. So it was a very wonderful one, right? Okay, now we have come to the end of the session. What you are going to do is you are going to do one small activity. Are you all ready to do the activity along with us? Yes. Now, by what you're going to do is you're going to stand up. Stand up, everyone. Yes. Have you all stood up? Superb. So now what you're going to do is you're going to bend yourself. Yes. Bend towards your front. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Superb. So we did the exercise, right? Yes. Whenever we do the exercise, it will increase our blood circulation. Yes, na? Yes. So, Saranya ma'am also said you some exercises with eyes, right? Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your fingers and close your fingers. When I say open, you're going to stretch it. And when I'm saying you close, you're going to close your fingers. Okay, Kana, can we do this activity? Yes. Open your fingers. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close. Open. Open. Hey, who's out now? Yes, I could see some people are doing wrong, right? Okay, no problem. Yes, it is just a free exercise. Yes, now what you're going to do is you're going to unmute only your video. What it is? You're going to only unmute your video and you're going to wave your hand. When you wave your hand, myself, Saranya ma'am, that is myself and Saranya ma'am will call your name and we will say you bye-bye so that you can leave the meeting. Okay, Rakanna, but remember that you should not unmute your audio. Unmute only your video and wave your hand. Myself and Saranya ma'am will call out the names and will say you bye-bye. Okay, Kanna? Stay home. Stay safe. Okay, Patus? Yes, now you can unmute your video.
Harsha. Yes. Harsha, wave your hand.
Sanjeevi, bye-bye. Harsha, bye-bye. Good. Mohammed.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anushree. Hi, Kana.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.